So we're working on a gas valve here. It's apparently leaking through the valve according to the gas guy. He wrote up a little description and locked it out here. It's pretty good music upstairs. They're doing some practice, so it's not just radio in the background. But anyway, we're going to remove these screws and I'll show you what I've done to see if the valve's actually leaking past. And I've seen this happen on one other valve. I think it was the same White Rogers model. Okay, so I just turned the gas on and you can see I have a mirror in here so we can see. I put some soap here. We're gonna soap over that so that it's blocked, and then in order to increase the pressure I'll use my fingers to block off the other ports here. It's hard to block off all three of these, but let's put some soap. Alright, so you can see I maybe only have to block 2 of them, to be honest. No, I will have to block 3. So I'm blocking 2 and 3. There we go. So you can see once I block off these 3, it blows a big old bubble. So there it is, covered in soap again. And I'm going to block off that third one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, blew it out right away. See if I can blow a bigger bubble. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good gas leak. So it's like it's having trouble closing all the way. That's kind of neat. Oh, you can even see it without the mirror. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and swap that out for a new valve, which I have brought with me, and then we should be good. In order to remove the valve, of course, you take out the 4 screws, and then there's just a union there. So I removed that and spun out the section of tubing that had the union on it, and then I spun out the valve, applied pipe dope, and spun it back together. Once I got it put back together, I checked it for leaks on the orifices. So there we go, we've got the new valve in. I did go ahead and check it for leaks, also of course checked all the fittings that we've disturbed, and we are heating again, so we should be good to go. Kind of an odd failure. I'm not sure if just some debris got in there and got on the seat or what. Hopefully it's not a common problem because there's a lot of these valves out there. But with everything, you know, sometimes there's going to be a couple that come off the assembly line that just aren't right, or end up getting a bit of debris in them because of the miles of gas piping it takes to actually feed this thing, but hard to say. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you later.